Brunton Boatyard, CGH Earth. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Brunton Boatyard, CGH Earth. This restored Victorian shipyard on the scenic Cochin Harbor offers air-conditioned rooms with beautiful sea views. A 1-minute walk from Fort Kochi-Vypeen Ferry Terminal, it has an outdoor pool and Ayurvedic massage treatments. Lovely hotel with a great position and views. We had a lovely sea-facing room with balcony. Very comfortable and large extra-length bed. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Its architecture, courteous and helpful staff. Characterful hotel with attentive staff and luxurious rooms. Lovely pool and great central location. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press like and subscribe to our channel.